3.2.25, we are going to differentiate our function f of x is equal to x over x plus c over x. Be aware, this is a complex fraction. Once again, do algebra before you do calculus. We will make our calculus much easier. We will do that, do the algebra. And once again, when you see complex fraction, the best strategy is multiply the top and bottom by the LCD. In this case, the denominator of the small fraction is just x. So let's multiply the top and bottom by just x. So multiply x, and I will also multiply x on the denominator. Alright? And for the numerator, after I multiply it out, I will get x squared over, I will have to distribute x, don't forget about that. X times x is x squared plus x times c over x is just plus c. So this is how innocent our original function looks like. X squared over x squared plus c. That's all, right? No big deal. It's just a regular rational equation. Now, on the top, let me label f, bottom is g. For quotient rule, again, you write down g first, which is x squared plus c, and f is equal to x squared. And now you can just differentiate that. Derivative of g, derivative of x squared is just 2x. Derivative of c is 0 because c is a constant. And for this part, f prime is equal to derivative of x squared is just 2x. And once again, we are ready to go. So for f prime of x, before I forget, let me square the denominator. I'm looking at this part because these two expressions, they are equivalent. I will square the denominator. I will get x squared plus c raised to the second power. And then on the top, I'm going to pair this one up with that. So I'm going to get x squared plus c parentheses times 2x. And you subtract for quotient rule. You subtract, you pair up x squared with that. So x squared times 2x, like that. Alright, and now the usual deal is we are going to just simplify the top, and then that's pretty much it. So I'm just going to write down the denominator first. Let me just copy the bottom. Usually I don't need to multiply the L, or I don't need to do anything too crazy. Anyways, on the top, I multiply this out. 2x times x squared, that gives us 2x to the third power, and 2x times c is plus 2cx minus, and here I have x squared times 2x, that's the same as 2x to the third power. And this is a positive 2x to a third power, this is a negative 2x to a third power, so I can cancel this one out and that one out. So altogether, on the top I just have 2cx all over the denominator x squared plus c parentheses square, and this is my f prime of x.